the series of basics of interpretation of statutes. In this video, we will talk about the organization, composition and functions of the organs of the state. Now, this video helps you to make the foundation of the law which we are going to discuss in this series. Now, every state here means a country or a nation. Every country has three main organs. One is legislature, second is executive and third is judiciary. On these three organs, the whole country functions. Now, if we talk about legislature, its main function is to make laws, whereas executive's main function is to implement or execute the law. And the third organ is judiciary, who is responsible for interpreting the laws and decide the case laws as per those laws. Now, if we talk about India, then India has a quasi-federal structure. It means the powers are divided between center and states, but the center has more powers than state. It means the center is more powerful than states. Now, if we talk about legislature, then in India, the legislature exists at two levels. At the center level, it is parliament, which includes Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and president. So, if any law is to be made by the center, then that law must be passed by both the houses and the assent must be given by the president. And if we talk about state level, then the same composition exists. But in some states, we have just one house, and in few states, nearly 6 states, where there are two houses, legislative assemblies and council of states. Now, similarly, the law need to be passed by both the houses if the state has two houses, and if the state has one house, then the bill must be passed by that house. After the passing of the bill in the house, the assent must be given by the governor. Only the law comes into picture. Now, second organ is executive. Now, at the center level, executive includes the President of India, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers and other bureaucrats, which includes IAS officer and IPS officer. Now, their main function is to formulate policies and to implement those policies at the ground level. Now, at the state level, the executive includes governor, chief minister, council of ministers of the state and other bureaucrats. It also includes the authorities and police officials who are responsible for maintaining law and order. They also form part of the executive. And the third organ is judiciary. And if we talk about the hierarchy of judiciary, then the apex court in the country is the Supreme Court. And at the state level, the highest court is High Court. And below High Court exists the subordinate judiciary. Now, subordinate judiciary is differentiated with regard to civil and criminal matters. If we talk about civil matter, the first court comes is district court, and then below district court is the civil judge senior division and civil judge junior division. And if we talk about criminal matters, then after High Court comes the Court of Session, and then additional session judge, and then comes Chief Judicial Magistrate, and then Judicial Magistrate first class, and then lastly the Judicial Magistrate second class. This is the hierarchy of courts. I hope this video helps, and for more such videos, please subscribe to the channel.